Hi everyone, welcome back to the Diverse Lens. And in this video, I will show you how to use AI, specifically ChatGPT, and how to use in your daily life. And also, I will show you some live demo, like some live conversation with ChatGPT. So after the end of this video, you'll learn how to use ChatGPT in a more better and effective way. You can learn how to write a content, and you can learn even like how to use ChatGPT in your coding life. So you can learn everything about ChatGPT, like how you can use it. So let's jump into the video. So yeah. So what is ChatGPT means? Like the ChatGPT. So ChatGPT is an AI language model developed by OpenAI, and it understands like the text and generates human-like responses. And what like the ChatGPT can be used for? You can write like it can be your writing assistants, like emails, blogs, resumes, and also for research and learning purpose you can use it. Coding and debugging purpose you also can use ChatGPT, and also translations and summaries you can use as well. And also you have some creative ideas like script, posts, stories, you can also use ChatGPT as. And so let's jump into some live demo or live conversation with ChatGPT. So let's say I'll ask ChatGPT to write a three-sentence email to my boss, like asking for work from home permission tomorrow. So let's say if I copy this context and if I paste it here. So I am using like ChatGPT version 4, and here you can see like I just copy the sentence, or you can say it context, and now if I send it to the ChatGPT, now we can wait for what ChatGPT replies. So here you can see like ChatGPT provide us a subject like request to work from home, Tuesday 14th October 2025, and then it wrote like, could I work from home on Tuesday? There is an unstable situation near my area, or you can also override the situation as well. But I have a reliable home setup and will be fully available for meetings and Slack throughout the day. Please let me know if you need anything or prefer otherwise. So it's a very pretty nice email body for that you can send to your boss. But still, like if I don't like this, like if I don't like this body, then I can just ask him, okay, I'm not feeling well, so please mention it uh, on the email body as a reason. So let's say I don't like this body at all, then I can give more context, and then it will provide me a better email body, like I'm not feeling well and would like to request permission to work from home tomorrow, and I'll make sure to stay fully available on Slack and attend all scheduled meetings remotely. So please let me know if that's okay. So yeah, so that is all for, like, if you can also modify the response that you can got from ChatGPT. Now let's look into some second example, like that how you can use it for your learning purpose, like explain quantum computing in simple terms. So let's say if I paste it here and provide him the uh, context, then how what it read like uh, normal computers like process information using bits. So it's give us a pretty much like explain like the quantum computing in simple terms. But still, if you would like to want some more information from the chat gpt, like let's say you would like to prepare a reports based on quantum computing, then you can ask it, okay, please wrote a on page assignment reports um, on quantum computing. So you need to make sure like you need to make sure that the context should be very specific, and like you can get the more better results if you can provide a good context. So that the things you need to keep in mind actually. So let's say here I just send him like a message, please write a one-page assignment report on quantum computing. Now here it provides me an like on-page assignment report, like an introduction, how quantum computing works, and also applications, its challenges, and also conclusion. So it's pretty good. And if yeah, and also if you can, you need to make sure like you don't need to please don't blindly just copy and paste on your reports. You need to carefully read the reply, because sometimes ChatGPT might misguide you. So you need to read it carefully and update accordingly. So that is another, this is another example. And like if you would like to ask for a like something like this, like let's say create a daily routine for a YouTuber who uploads twice a week. So then basically it can provide a like a routine. So you, this can be like, this ChatGPT can be your a good assistant, and it can increase your productivity by, like, if you needs to think about this, like if you don't help from the ChatGPT or AI model, then you need to think about it. That might take some more times, but instead of thinking whole thing by yourselves, you can take some assistance from the ChatGPT, and then you need to read it carefully. And if you don't like the reply, then you can modify it, and also you can ask for the requested changes to the ChatGPT. So this, by this way you can improve your productivity as a whole. So that's the live demo. And here are some tips for the better prompts that I already said, that you need to be specific. Like you don't, if you write like some like non-understandable context, then, or if you write something that is not grammatically correct, then it will be more difficult for, or you might not get better result from the ChatGPT. So you need to make sure like the context should be grammatically correct, and also you need to be very specific, like what you would like to want, like what topics you need to take the assistance from ChatGPT. So that's the core thing, like you need to be specific, and also you need to be give some context. Like you don't need to like if you just write a title and if you don't give that much context to the ChatGPT, then ChatGPT might search for a whole thing, and then you might got an not at that good much response from the ChatGPT. So you need to give some more context to the ChatGPT as well. And also you need to ask step by step. Like if you ask five questions at a time, then the ChatGPT might mixed up, and you might got confused by the ChatGPT reply. So you need to ask one by one questions, so that will give you a better results. So the in short, if I my last comment about AI, like AI is not replacing your creativity, or AI not replacing your jobs. Basically, it's helping us be more productive, and it will make you more perfect and more accurate. And as I say, like it will increase your productivity as well. So yeah, so that's all from today's session. And so if you found this video helpful, then please like, comments, and subscribe to the Diverse Lens channel for this kind of more tech and motivational videos. So till then, see you.